Hey, it's Mark here. So these albums here are slip-in albums, DIY albums. This is a great cost-effective product to have within your studio because you can keep them on your shelf and then use them when you need them to. I just want to point out a couple of features here. So for starters, this is your 8x10" print. Now when you're choosing your DIY, what it is, the reason why it's a DIY, because all you do is slip your photos through the little envelope here into the prints. Now this is from the photographer's toolbox specifically, so this is the range that they have. So this has got 10 pages. I know they do a 20. When you speak to your labs, just be sure that they've got the size that you want, 8x10, and the amount of images that you need, because this bigger size is a little bit more restrictive, where these 7x5s, they come in a 20 and a 10 and a 5 or a 6, but they also come as a 2, as a little 2-up. These are amazing for parent albums. For parent albums, this is fantastic. This is your would you like fries with that product. That is a horizontal one, that is a vertical one. At the time of the video, these are only $15 each, so super cheap. But the reason why these products are so good is they're so good value. The value is amazing. So instead of just giving 10 7x5" prints in a box, because people are like, what am I going to do with the box? You can get 10 7x5" prints that come in this little slip-in album, and this album here is only $34. It's ridiculously cheap, okay? So it's just showing some value to your clients. Now, something that you have to be careful of is be careful of the thickness of the paper that you print with. So thick fine art prints are not going to go so well in these albums, because what will happen, they will start to raise due to the thickness of the prints. So make sure you speak to your lab when you look at your DIY options to be able to make sure that you've got the right printing size paper. This little guy here, just to finish with, is a little bit more different. It's a peel and stick. They come with little tabs here. You peel off the window and then you stick the photograph onto the pages. So there's no outdoor window like this on the sides, it's just the image. Tricky part with this is getting them straight. So it might take you a few goes, so just be cautious of that one. But in terms of a product, I love these products. These are one of my favorite products because of the value that they show. Some people don't like the loose prints, but they want it in an album. They don't want to spend $2,000 on a big album. They just want 10 photos in a little album to give to grandma or as a keepsake because they want to be doing a photo shoot every 6 months or a year or so without breaking the bank. So as a product, they're really cool. Check out Photographer's Toolbox in Australia, but they're very basic products, so I'm sure there are in other places in the world as well. But in terms of a product, great off the shelf, great thing to have when you need some quick artwork out the door. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.